For tomorrow.
You're going to have all the fields are going, oh no, what just happened?
You want to make a deal or what?
Yeah,
Stay warm.
Have the coat in hand tomorrow morning. You might not think you need it. You'll need it by the time you drive on home. This is what's happening for us right now on the satellite and radar. Okay, you're thinking, not too impressive. Let's widen out that view and look off towards the west-northwest. Look at that precip already falling through parts of Colorado, even into parts of Oklahoma. That's this area of low pressure, this cold front that is on the way through the southern plains. So with that, the colder air is going to be pushing its way into North Texas as soon as probably tomorrow morning in our northwest counties, and then by noon pushing through the Metroplex. So not too bad in the morning, in the low 50s going into the afternoon hours. Still our southeast counties upper 50s to the low 60s, mid 40s by the time we get to your lunch hour. Still feeling like 45 degrees at DFW. That all changes in a matter of 2 to 3 hours. Upper 30s by the time you get to 4 o'clock, feeling like the teens. We're going to have that wind chill factor in place by the time you get the kids after school, and then even into tomorrow night, overnight into Friday morning, temperatures continue to drop below the freezing mark. On top of that, we have the potential of some winter precip. Here are a couple of forecast models and comparing them. This is what I look at. How about you forecast with me? This is what's going on, the North American model and then our rapid precision model. You can see this band of snow trying to develop, maybe some light snow closer towards parts of the Metroplex, kind of showing up in agreement on the North American model. So both of those in a little bit of agreement that we could see a quick burst of some snow. How much are we talking about? Let's look at those same forecast models as far as the snowfall forecast. The RPM picking up maybe a dusting to maybe a quarter of an inch in some spots. However, the North American model trying to paint maybe about an inch up near parts of the Red River, so half of an inch to near an inch. All of that in mind, I'm thinking there's that possibility of a light snow or sleet mix. I'm going to say dusting to maybe a half of an inch in some spots. That's kind of like the consensus of what I'm going for. Our east counties dealing with the rain. So those coldest temperatures, 29 to 34 degrees. Travel impacts right now limited mainly to the elevated surfaces, but don't be surprised if you see that quick burst of snow, this band kind of pushing its way through. On top of that, it's going to be a windy day. We have a wind advisory going into effect at 9 o'clock and then lasting until midnight with northwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting up to 40. So tomorrow's forecast, warmer in the morning, dropping through the day, that precip chance about 20%. And then we have to go into Friday morning when you wake up, get the kids out of the door for school, 29, feeling like 11 degrees. That's why you need that heavy winter coat. Going into the weekend, another cold front approaching, lots of sunshine on the way. Temperatures in the 20s, highs in the low to the mid 40s. Next front pushing through then Monday into Tuesday. Another winter mix possible on Tuesday, high of 37. We'll watch that next system developing and update you over the next couple of days. Doug and Kaylee.